crawl space is finally encapsulated. And thanks to you and crawlspacerepair.com, I was able to do it myself.
Jesse, you did a great job. But now don't leave out the most important part. Conditioning the air. Did you leave room in your budget for a dehumidifier?
Yeah. That's the whole reason that I encapsulated my crawl space in the first place. Seriously, Gary, you think that I would spend all this time and money to prepare and condition the space and not get a dehumidifier? That's like building a swimming pool and trying to save money by not putting the water in it.
Exactly. A good dehumidifier will keep your crawl space dry and odor-free.
And I got mine from crawlspacerepair.com.
Where else?
So, my house is on its way to being a clean and healthier home.